Hello, writers! Today we are going to look closely at the structure of an essay. We have been working on opinion writing, and today we are going to learn how to write an essay about our opinion. So we first start with a thesis statement. A thesis statement is just what you believe. Then you will back up your thesis statement or what you believe with reasons. So I have my thesis statement, and then because of reason 1, reason 2, and most of all because of reason 3. In the body of an essay, you have 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph starts with your first reason. So you would say one reason that, state what you believe, is that, give a reason 1, and then for example you need to support your reasons with evidence or proof. Okay, and in the second paragraph, you'll talk about the second reason that you believe what you do and back that up with evidence as well. In the third paragraph, you will write about your third reason that you believe what you do and support that with evidence. Let's take a little bit closer of a look at a sample essay. This is in our next video, we will go a little bit more into detail about how to create your thesis statement and your reasons and evidence. So let's look at this sample. This says, I love ice cream. That is my thesis statement. I need to come up with 3 reasons why I love ice cream. I love ice cream because you can add different toppings. That's my first reason. I love ice cream because there are so many flavors. That's my second reason. And I love ice cream because it is refreshing on a hot day. That's my third reason. In our next lesson, we will work on supporting our reasons with evidence.